Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, dear friends, good morning to all of you. Today we gather not just to celebrate Unity Day but to honor the spirit that binds us as one despite our differences across languages, cultures, and beliefs. Unity is not just a word, it is the heartbeat of our nation, the soul of our society, and the strength of our future. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, we speak in many languages, wear different clothes, and celebrate diverse festivals. But our heartbeat with the same pride, the same hope, the same love for our country. Unity Day honors the legacy of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, whose vision stitched together the fabric of our nation. Let's pledge to carry forward his dream, to stand together, to rise together, to shine together. Now, let's hear from our young voice a speech that echoes the power of unity. Unity Day reminds us of the vision of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, who believed that a united India is our empowered India. So, today let us pledge to respect every culture, every religion, every voice, to stand against discrimination, to be kind, inclusive, and courageous. Together we rise, together we shine. Thank you so much.